Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to hand sew a zipper. First, gather your essential supplies. A zipper, your chosen fabric, a sharp needle, matching thread, and a pair of fabric scissors. Next, prepare your fabric by pressing the seam allowances open. This creates a smooth, flat foundation for your zipper. Carefully mark the exact zipper placement on your fabric using tailor's chalk. Finally, baste the zipper opening closed with a long, loose stitch to keep everything aligned. Now let's secure the zipper. Place the zipper face down directly over your basted seam line, ensuring the zipper teeth are perfectly centered. Pin it carefully in place to prevent any shifting. Begin sewing with a strong backstitch or a neat running stitch. Work your way down one side, stitching about 1/8 of an inch from the zipper teeth. This close proximity ensures a clean, professional finish. Once you reach the bottom of the zipper, pivot your fabric and needle to turn the corner smoothly. Stitch across the bottom of the zipper for approximately 1 inch, creating a secure base. Then, continue sewing up the second side of the zipper, maintaining that consistent 1/8 inch distance from the teeth. After both sides are securely sewn, carefully remove all of your initial basting stitches. Finally, it's time for a quick inspection. Gently open and close your newly sewn zipper to ensure it glides smoothly without catching. Check for any puckering in the fabric or uneven stitching lines. For added durability and a polished look, you might consider adding a decorative top stitch around the zipper. Remember, practice makes perfect, so don't hesitate to try this technique on scrap fabric first.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.